Hey, Ara, it's Tom. Hey, thanks for getting back to me. No worries on the falling in junk mail, all that stuff, and you're not getting it here for a couple days. Totally fine. Hey, I'm excited. Hopefully, we can build a long-standing business relationship here. Got your message, obviously. Couple things from your message. Let's see what we're trying to do. We set up the video so it's easily plug and play for agents, and I know I talked about that here. And so, hopefully it'll be pretty easy since you've already done the work and you've already got the files and you can swap stuff out pretty easily. So that's what my hope is. And then I know you talked about, you were a little unclear. I think it was item number 3 here about what I meant by this. And you answered it a bit, but I just wanted to clarify something and ask you a direct question. Basically, if our agents are able to, or were able to, through maybe one email address, which would possibly be, I'm guessing, admin at listings.com, like admin as administration at listings.com. That would be an option. I don't think we'd probably have our agents send you emails directly from their email address, like Andy at listings.com, George at listings.com, those type of things. But if we have one email source that gets you the information you need to put together the video, and then we courtesy copy on that email the actual agent that the video is for, and then you can just reply all, with the work you're doing. That would be ideal, so we don't need to log into Fiverr or have them create Fiverr accounts and all that. That may be an option. However, like I said here, when it comes to payment, we want our agents to pay you directly. So if you could address that and how that would work under those circumstances. That's why I said here that it may be that we may have to have each agent create their own Fiverr account. I think I wrote it here, just so they do have a form of payment, loaded up in the website. So whenever they order videos going forward, then you got their credit card to charge. So I don't know. That's why I'm trying to figure out the best way to handle this with Fiverr and with you, and not upset Fiverr, and still be able to possibly get you some of the information through Fiverr, and then, through direct email, and then maybe the review process is through Fiverr with the agent and their login. And again, that helps solve the financial, them payment part of it. As far as the file size, I think your file size, I think I've got it here. Hold on. Here it is. It looks like it was 69 megs. So all we'd be doing is, we're not looking for, with these individual videos going forward for each project, we don't need all the source files for those. All we would need is the agent to, once they approve, to get the, high def video, and that's all they need. So no more source files. The source files really were just more for us to have, us as management on the corporate side, to have the files, the source files of the actual first one we did, which we are considering our template. So hopefully that answers that question. We should never exceed 1 gigabyte, even come close to it. So that's good there. And then what else? Oh yeah, you talked about being able to just plug and play. Like I said, just swap out this various information, opening credits, the property video they'll send you in a link. Again, that could possibly come in that initial email from admin@listings.com, the link to that video, and then some other stuff. So I'm just trying to work through in my mind the details of how to kind of make this the most efficient and effective as possible while not tasking or taxing our agents to do a lot of work on their end. So again, we're all about automation. Trying to make it as easy for our agents as possible. But there may turn out to be, that we are going to have them do some stuff. I know when it comes to the community pictures, those 7 pictures I sent you, here it is, these community photos, they're probably going to have to provide those to you some way, whether it's through Fiverr or a direct email. But a lot of this other stuff, the opening credits and the closing credits, and then the last shot. So, basically, for the most part, number 1, 4, 5, maybe even 2, we can automate that for our agents. And just to explain this non-luxury properties piece. So the video we had you create was for $1 million+ property. But if our agents want to do a video for a non-luxury property, and in our world, luxury, just so you know, is over $750,000 and non-luxury is under $750,000. But this is if an agent wanted to produce a non-luxury video, they would do these additional things basically to kind of modify the template video we did, which is a luxury luxe proper or video, to a non-luxury. So again, pretty easy stuff to swap out. So this is great. I appreciate it. Hopefully this all makes sense, and I think I answered the questions and clarify the things you wanted me to clarify. The other aspect is, I think there are times when you're up and I'm up, and I noticed in your video you have Skype. I don't know if it's Skype for Business or regular Skype. I don't think it matters. We use Microsoft Office Suite Business, basically. So you can see here, the bottom, I have business Skype here that we have all of our it's not our entire team, but just some people I've marked as favorite, but I can obviously call really anyone from Skype for Business. And I also have regular Skype as well, if that for some reason is easier. Here's my normal Skype, here's my business Skype. So either way, we can make it work if we need to just communicate directly. I know Shane actually has one of our key developers is in India, and he uses business Skype with him all the time. And we can probably add you into our corporate email structure, so you can be on business Skype if that's easier. But we've got a lot of options, is what I'm saying, if we do need to connect over the phone and just kind of be able to have a conversation about it instead of going back and forth with videos. So that's it for now. Get back to me on what you're thinking, and we will go from there. Thanks, Ara. Take care and talk soon. Bye.